Hey there, today we are making a quick and delicious cabbage and egg dish that's simple, healthy, and perfect for any meal. Let's dive in. For this recipe, you will need one medium cabbage. Then cut it into 1/4. Shred the cabbage thinly with a knife. Start by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Then add 2 tablespoons of chopped onion and 1 tablespoon of garlic. Garlic and pepper powder work really well here. Then add the shredded cabbage to the pan. Cook the cabbage for about 2 or 3 minutes and then stirring occasionally until it's soft and tender. Then add half teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of chopped green chilli. Then cover it for 3 to 4 minutes. Once the cabbage is cooked, add half teaspoon of pepper powder and then stir again. Again cover for 1 to 2 minutes. Once it's done, crack 2 eggs onto the cooked cabbage. Be careful not to stir. We want the eggs to cook right on top of the cabbage. Then cover it and lower the heat. For runny yolks, cook for about 3 to 5 minutes or leave it longer for firmer eggs. And just like that, your cabbage and egg dish is ready to serve. Look at how simple and satisfying this is. This dish is perfect on its own, but you can pair it as a side dish. Thanks for watching.